The Char-Broil Kamander Charcoal Grill delivers the same great tasting results as the more expensive Kamado style grill without compromising the cooking experience or your budget. The insulated double-wall steel construction and sealed cooking chamber allow you to easily maintain temperatures for any type of cooking, from high-heat searing to low and slow smoking. Our innovative shelf and lid-mounted controls allow you to easily set and adjust the temperature, giving you the versatility to grill, smoke, roast, or bake. The top-loading ash pan makes cleanup quick and easy. Built to last and made to perform with porcelain-coated cast iron grates, porcelain-coated cooking components, and steel construction throughout. The Kamander allows you to enjoy the benefits of Kamado-style cooking at an affordable price, all without compromising the grilling experience. The Char-Broil Kamander. Control without compromise.